As we're seeing more and more effects of trauma in our classroom, and on average what we're finding, depending on the numbers that you're looking at, we can predict that 1 in 4 to 1 in 5 of our students sitting in our classrooms have been affected by trauma. And so when we think about that, and we can predict that we have at least 5 to 6 students that might have been affected by trauma, we want to plan for that. If we can predict it, we can plan for it. So what is our plan for when that cortisol kind of takes over, that trauma response in the classroom? So it might look like those highly escalated behaviors, those really, they get bigger and louder, especially our boys tend to get bigger and louder during those times of that cortisol waterfall. And what that cortisol does is it just really hijacks the brain. It takes over that ability to have rational thought. That can happen to adults, but it also happens more quickly in students just because they don't have that rational part of their brain fully developed. So they are much more at risk for that cortisol takeover.